Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can restore back your original Office Home and Student version after you formatted your PC or laptop. For that you need the Microsoft ID which you use to activate it. Once you have that, open your browser and type Microsoft Login. Now go to its web page. Click on sign in from here. Now sign in with the Microsoft ID and password. From here, click on subscriptions. Here under products you have purchased, you will see the version of Office. Simply click on install from here. Now if you want, you can choose the language from here, and here keep it to default, and finally click on install. Now it will download a setup file. Once it is downloaded, right click over it and run it as administrator. That's it, your Office installation will begin. So wait for the installation process to finish. Once done, close this box. Now open Microsoft Word. Accept it, click on Get Started. And finally accept the agreement. That's it, your Microsoft Office is ready for use. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.